Hey everyone, and welcome to this video about how to fixate and guide cables and corrugated tubing along edges with WKK's fixation clips. If you have to guide cables, corrugated tubing or other objects along profiles or edges, you have different options to fixate your objects along it. With a profile like this, with pre-drilled holes, you could use push-mount cable ties with an arrowhead like this one. But what if you have a profile without holes and you don't want, or you simply cannot, drill some extra holes? Well, this limits you down to basically two options: self-adhesive mounts or fixation clips, or to be more specific in this case, edge clips. For this type of application though, self-adhesive mounts have three major disadvantages. First, they take longer to process because you first have to remove the cover from the adhesive surface. Second, they aren't the best option when used outdoors because the changing weather conditions might affect the durability of the adhesive. And third, they take a lot of space and limit the position and direction of the attached cable, what means that you, for instance, can only attach it on the wide side of the profile, but not on the thin edge. The easiest and most durable, and thus most reliable, solution is an edge clip. The WKK edge clips are made of UV-resistant polyamide 6.6 and have a spring steel clamp inside that works like a barb. The clamp itself has a hardened coated surface that ensures protection against corrosion, so a long time use in moist conditions is not an issue. To attach it to an edge, you simply press it onto the edge. The metal clamp inside the clip will now hold it in place really strong. You can now use a cable tie with a width of up to 4.8 mm to attach the object that you have to fixate or guide to the clip. The basic edge clip comes in three types: for edges with a thickness from 0.7 to 3.0 mm, for edges with a thickness from 3.0 to 6.0 mm, and is a one-piece solution that already has a 160 to 3.6 mm cable tie integrated. Each type has different variations for any combination of position and direction of the attached cable. For instance, you can attach the cable on top of the clip and either guide it parallel or right angle to the edge. Another option would be to attach the cable on the side of the clip and edge, and again guide it parallel or right angle to the edge. There are also universal edge clips like the KC50 that support all possible positions and directions. To see a full overview of our available edge clips with the different versions, please check out the link in the video description or go to WKK-Europe.com. So as you can see, the edge clips basically eliminate all the disadvantages of self-adhesive mounts. But this kind of application though. If you have to guide objects on flat surfaces and indoors, self-adhesive mounts are a good choice. It really always depends on your application. I hope that this video has helped you to understand the purpose, use and the advantages of edge clips. If so, we will appreciate a like. And if anything was unclear or in case that you have any questions, just leave us a comment and we will be happy to answer it for you. As usual, this video was brought to you by the WKK Group, the European B2B supplier for fixation materials like cable ties, heat shrink tubing, fixation clips and more. All the fixation clips of WKK are developed and produced by WKK Automotive, a subdivision of the WKK Group. So if your business requires a custom type of fixation clips, visit WKK-Europe.com and contact us to see what we can do for you. Thanks for watching and have a good day.